Okay, how is the audio? I'm very curious to see if this is any better. Because if this is better, it means Dubai government is blocking this shit. So let me know if this is better. You guys can hear now. This is better, it means the Dubai government are blocking the signal, motherfuckers. Tell me if you can hear me. Tell me if you can hear me. It seems more stable, no? But it's not going on and off. I hope you guys can hear now. Or it's slow in fact. But it seems better. 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 Yeah, you guys can hear. Sweet. Yeah, that means that the Dubai government blocked the signal. Jesus Christ. I'm not even allowed to live stream without paying for it. Fucking unbelievable. Unbelievable. I'm short VTT. Let's go through the stocks. Let's go through the stocks. Oh, came back. It's a shame. I'm short VTT from. Let's check. This should be like I was up like I withdrew the money from my account. I was on $930. I had $930 after I withdrew $3,000 profit, and then I immediately took a $180 loss. Sometimes you have to have red days, but today I'm expecting and hoping that with this $730 account, I'll make back not only $180 lost on last Thursday, but I'll also make an additional to put myself over $1,000 a day. My aim is to go over $1,000 today in profits, and I think VTT is the stock that will do it. I was short VVUU or VUUS or something like that, and it squeezed on us. I didn't expect. No, there is sound on YouTube, man, for sure. I heard it. Launch Web Trader 03. I am short VTT. I think it's a good short. I mean, it ran when it traded 60 million, but since then it's 60 mil float. Most should be underwater. You'd expect most are going to be underwater. You expect this can give it back down to the threes. You should be able to take a 20% gain here. On the days where it's like gapped up on like 8-9 million volume, it'll probably trade about 15-20 today, but it just gaps up and gives it all back every time. Plus, got the people underwater from when it did run from the 2 to the 6s, and it's starting to run out of steam already after this triple top. It's give a lot back, and it's just giving more and more. So I'm hoping it takes off in like the 356s before the half on the 350, and around like the 350 mark. Yeah, obviously that's me higher day in the 4s, and I'll definitely add back in to cover it all in the 350s, add back in the 380s, 385s. I've got an extra ad in the 4s if it gets there. Starts going 410, 420, I'm out. But I think this should be the stock that gets us over. I mean, you never know, but based on probability and statistics, hopefully this will be a $300, $400, $350 day that'll get us over $400 day. It'll get us over 1,000, and it'll put us on the right side of at least the right side of the month. Let's just check if you guys are with us, because I know I'm from home. You guys can't hear us on YouTube? Can you hear on YouTube? Let us check the sound again. YouTube. VTVT, although it had revenue last year, is a losing company, and the news doesn't sound like it's got no financials or anything in. Let me just check my own YouTube to see it's running okay. Doesn't sound like it's got no financials or anything in. Let me check my own YouTube to see it's Sorry, the comments are a little bit slow for some reason. But I can see that you guys are in, so that's good. I'm short 400 shares. I'm just going to leave YouTube open so I can see that. Guys, if you're watching on Periscope, go to YouTube, slap like and subscribe. I'm probably even going to come off Periscope at some point. Let's keep all the comments on YouTube if possible. So if I ever have any errors, I can just check YouTube. I'm short. Let's keep all the let's keep all the comments on YouTube. Let's mute that. I'm short 400 shares. All right, guys, it's coming through the comments. Sweet. I'm short 400 shares from 384 summit, and I've got another 200 to add in the 340s. I've got my first cover 400 at 356. It's only 20 cents away right now, so I'm up like $50. My account's only $730. I want to spike to the fall and the fail, or like at least a spike to the 390s. I'm being a little bit aggressive with this because it is like such a weak stock. I'm just going to change my next short into like 386, just I don't even think it's going to 200 shares. If I had a bigger account, you'd make good money on this, so you should at least 386. TBT. Seems to be washing already. He covers 356, which I think I should get because it's low high. You've got this kind of, you've got the triple top here, and then now you've got like just this, whoa shit. You've got triple top there, and this is more just like a, fucking hell. And then you've got this like proceeding just breakdown basically. So I'm hoping it breaks down to the $0.50. News is just some phase 2 update. The financials are bad. Again, the stock history is pretty bad. It's not trading anything insane volume, 3 million volume in relation to 60 million float. It's not special. The only other thing that I look for is it's not the top percent gainer, which it is. The market's otherwise quiet. This really doesn't look like it's got much volatility or supporting it. And it's the perfect amount of trade. So it's not trading off that it's erratic, but it's not trading so liquid that someone can push it up. So it's like it's the perfect. I would go as far as saying this is like the perfect short. It's like the perfect one. Apart from it's a top percent gainer, but it's pretty much the perfect short, honestly. PLG, we can just take a quick look at. I'm going to lie back down in the bed now that I realize I don't have to be here. Plag looks like a good short as well, to be honest, but it's not because it's not enough volume in the float. Otherwise, it would be an short. But this big spike, and then it's never had any runs since, makes it like a pretty decent short. Line up. Let's make sure you guys are okay. Yeah, me fat face. LWT, you're back in as well. Guys, ask questions. They're coming through now. Plag, not a short. Still not enough volume. MRE, the chart's bad. MREO, I love these reverse splits. And unless this is the actual start of this, actually looks like it opened. Sorry, it's not a reverse split. The stock opened in the 6th at a public offer and it's came down ever since. Float's 20 million. The whole 20 million float looks underwater, but it's not traded enough on the day to make any judgment calls. So I can't really say much about MREO. VTVT is by far the only short so far. ADV, and I haven't looked at what went yesterday, so that's too sad after I lost my $180. ADVM, one second, I'm getting WhatsApp messages. So are we meeting later or not? Maybe I am live streaming. Speak there, bro. My friend has sent us a picture of Lockstock with some girls. Live dating game. It's okay, man. I don't need to go on a live dating game. ADV, yeah, I'm turning that off. It's irritating. One sec. Fuck off. That's the girl I was with. I'll show you guys a picture later. ADVM trading. It's when candlesticks are broken. Even though it's traded 200,000, it's still so faded that it's scary. The candlesticks look weird on the daily as well. So ADM, I'm not really thinking about. OXBR. The other thing that I'm thinking is I want the over. Oh my god, OXBR. Look at how it gives back those spikes. Look, this looks like a real piece of shit. Again, the only problem is that it's pretty liquid, and it's pretty liquid today as well. And they're just all fucking liquid. There's no volume in the market. What the fuck's going on? See if the SPY is going down, and then I'll answer some questions, and then I think I've got some food coming out. So McDonald's, SPY had a big run. These big 4 gap ups, but now it's like rescinding a little bit, which is good for VTVT. The overall market's quiet. VTVT looks quiet. It's following the kind of the trend down. I'm up pre-market. I'm shorting the highs of the day. If it breaks even if it breaks the highs, I'll still hold it for a bit. But like if it gets past like 4.30, 4.20, basically if it breaks 4.10s, I don't mind like not cutting immediately. And like I would take over, cut the higher day. Like for me, I don't do that. Do with these shitty stocks. I'll give them a wiggle room, but you've got to have the discipline. 1 second. Hey man, thanks so much. Right. I've got McDonald's, motherfuckers. Hey, 60 people in here. Nice. It's fucking popping. It's fucking popping in here. All right, let's try and I'm up $40 on VTVT. That's good. I'm up quite a bit of cents on that. I'm pretty sure it's gonna fail. So let's do some questions as I eat some bits. Sweet and sour sauce. Okay. See what the questions are. Short 400 of VTVT today. There's nothing else in the market running. Haven't checked yesterday. George, I got no power in the whole house. No trading for me. Good luck, mate. Cheers. Taking it easy today, like as well. I want to. If you guys haven't seen there's an Asian film called. There's a Korean movie called. I'll tell you the name of it. There's a Korean movie called. Fuck. Can't find. I watched one of the best movies of my life last night. It's called Parasite. Parasite is a Korean movie. I was watching that last night. This morning, it was South Korean, one of the best thrillers I've ever seen in my life. Shout out LWT. Used to be in the room a while back. They're back on the game today. Does it take time to? I withdrew $3,000 from the guys, and it took a couple of days to wire out. So not too long, Sorry, I'm eating the fucking mic, but it's free, and you guys. All I ask in return is that you slap like. If you're watching, slap like right now. Slap like. I'm short DTVT. Oh shit, popping a bit. Short from 386, then add at 396. Got like 420. First cover is 356. Want to be covering down in the 320s. Seems like since I've been eating McDonald's, more people have been watching. You guys must like McDonald's and trading as a combination. Good morning, afternoon. Thanks for taking the time. Sharing your thoughts. No worries, brother. Market's opening in 10 minutes. Exciting times. No volume in your pillow. Don't understand that. Why you in your pit getting ready to stroke one out? I'm not reading these anymore. Ah, you motherfuckers are on it. Oh, market's getting a bit scary now. 390. I don't really want to break 4 pre, like that wouldn't be ideal. Because I think it will fail, but it will fail. I'm quite sure. I don't want to go under too much because once you don't cut at one point, it fucking where you cut. Fucking 4 right days in February out of 4, 3 out of 4. Do not make this 4 out of 5 on such an easy basic setup. Praise God. I'm in a very, very, very good mood today. Please don't make it worse. Yeah, Guy agrees. Good movie. It's a great movie. What's up? Cool. Not many questions. Not much running. Like I say, just seeing VT, if it feels like the open or not. If it runs, I'll be shocked because the volume's not enough for it to run, and there's bag holders, and the news not that good, and the market's overall down. Be shocked if it ran. But never say never. Can't predict the market. You can only build a case based on positive and negative indicators. Sadly. Steve, what the fuck happened? He fucking quit like a fucking loser. John Wilson is we both started learning together. He failed, I made it. And you made it, and he failed because he didn't have the dedication or the study power. He wouldn't study unless he was high as a kite. Thank you, dude. I love making them. I love helping people, and I hope to continue helping people. And if VT fails today, it's going to help me help you because when I'm so early, like say I just threw $3,000, right? My account's only 700 again. So I need trades like this to go well. Otherwise, like it's hard to get started off the mark. So I need this kind of setup to fail. And so far, it's fine. If it breaks through 4 pre-market, though, it's very worrying. I'm being a little bit aggressive as well. I could be shorting 390 first entry, then I could be like half 390, half 410, 420. But I'm like trying to get full size in a higher day because the market's weak and the stock shit. So I am being a bit aggressive, and then you grow me account, so I'm not really trading with much size. So if I'm over aggressive and I lose $200, like is what it is. I wouldn't be this aggressive with like a $6,000 account. Small account, I want to grow. That little pop, you sometimes see these pops on some. You sometimes see these pops. Sometimes people try to get the stock, make it on before the market opens. It's not my first fucking rodeo. Been doing this shit a couple of years. It's not my first rodeo. I've seen this stuff before. VT, I've seen fail 1,000 times before. I've seen this ticker fail numerous times before. But that doesn't mean you should have one bias. Anything happening in the market, I will be out 420, 430 eating humble fucking February pie. Because I have been trading I've been trading badly. I went long a stock stupidly on tilt, and I lost a short, which was just one of them things, but wasn't the best short. I shorted coronavirus. Shorted the coronavirus, then I went long at a stupid shit stock, and then then I went short in a liquid bomb. So like the last 4 trades, I can see why I lost, but it's a bit of bad luck as well. But this one I think is a good trade. I'm quite positive. It's my best trade of February, even if it doesn't work. Get your head around that. Even if I lose, I still think it's a good trade. Get your head around that. Providing I cut in the 430s. Oh. Big bid. Big bids. Big bids at 385 though. It's dropping. Yeah, 85 is about to drop. Wow. Oh. This foot is 80% up. Unbelievable. 85's gone. 84's going. It's looking good. The thing with this though, let you win. You've got to there's some stocks you've got to let your winners run with. And this is one of them. I'm not taking profits, Illy. I'll cover break down. I'll cover 350s. Only I full size back in and covering the 320s. Do you guys know if there's an offering on this? I've left some of the burger, half the fries, and 2 of the nuggets because I'm fat as fuck. I'll be back. I'm throwing this in the trash so I can't pick it out the trash later and eat it out of the bin because I'm that greedy. I'm going 380, 390. I'm going to put this McDonald's in the bin. I'll be back in a minute. I ate half of it. I've been walking and running. I'm putting it in the bin so I don't eat it with my hands later at the night out of the bin. So I'm putting it in the outside bin, so I'll be back. Trying to be a new me. Come on, bitch! There's quite a few here. There's 65. I think the 65, yeah, the most I had was 75. So I'll take you guys with us. Oh, a little bounce. It's okay. I'm gonna take you guys with us to make a cup of coffee. So I don't have a penchant for alcohol right now. It's a short little snappy espresso. For all you fuckers who think you need to watch every tip, watch every detail, have 10 monitors. You don't need 10 monitors. I don't even watch the market half the time because I hate it. I hate stock trading. It bores the life out of us. It should bore the life out of you because that helps you discipline when you're not addicted. What the fuck? Where's the espresso? Sorry. I'm about to watch fucking, yeah, by the way, I'm like, I might seem very disengaged, and it's because I'm trading with a $700, so I don't care. When there's like 1,000 profit or 100 loss on that line, I care more, but I don't care about making 300, losing 70, 80. I don't even care about make 300, lose 100, even lose 150. I don't even care. It's going to affect me night anyway. I'm not saying it because I secretly do. I'm saying it because I really don't. Like, I don't care at all. But I've been reborn lately. Been doing some really interesting NLP meditations and quantum stuff, and God, I feel like a fucking new person. I feel like I need to use alcohol as a crutch to manage my life anymore. I still think John Wilson's a fucking dick, sad loser. No matter how many fucking healing from the universe I do. Well, we've got 4 minutes. We're in a good position. Should spike and fail. I really wanted to wash straight away. Like I said, I have been a bit aggressive. Quick questions. Average on VT. Average. Oh no, you're joking. Oh no, it's all right. Yeah, that's good. The average is 385. But it's looking pretty weak. You might get a push to the fours. You might. I mean, covers 356, which is like, if it goes for 80, it's like only 20 cents on a $4 stock. It's like to what? Like a 5% drop. They can drop 5% at the open. You can spike 7, it can drop 5. It's all good. I'll hopefully get a and I can short in an ideal world. It's holding VWAP, but which means most of the buyers are ahead. But to me, it doesn't really look particularly strong unless it races up all of a sudden now. Touch wood, it won't. Morning. Steve, yeah, exactly. It'll spike and fail, it'll just wash all together. You guys are watching VTVT green long? Fuck. No, I don't believe it. Are you just trading the opposite for a laugh? Let's see. Market opens in 2 minutes, so I might go a little bit quiet as I watch the market myself and get in and out of trades, but you'll see it all. You'll see it all. Let's say I lost $180 the other day, so I'm hoping to make like 350 to make up for that loss and make a bit more today, and that's how trading works. And that's how you build your account. Markets open in 50 seconds, and it's looking quite weak. BT is anyway. There's nothing else worth looking at, honestly. There's nothing. The stock market dead. I think everything will just collapse today, especially with the SPY being red as well. Yeah, the SPY's breaking down as well. And I think this will be a wash in the morning. Might get a spike because it's 3 million, but we'll see. Looks like it's selling off. Market's 10 seconds. No, not really excited. I'm a little nervous because I've had a few days in February. I'm not used to having any red days. So let's see. Market's open. 84s. It's a bit slow here. 84s. 85s. 82s. Not sure what's going on. Let us just check my screen. I expect a slight push. I'm on a fucking VPN, so it's a bit slow coming through. Level 2 is there, though. Yeah, you see 95,000 short at night 393. My screen is not working very fast. I'm expecting a spike and fail. My platform is not working though, but I can see I'm only down like $40. I'm in full size now. It looks a little bit volatile, but I'm not down much. I mean, platform's frozen. Like, let us just restart this. Luckily, I've got me. It's because I'm on a VPN. Fucking, I'm not. It looks like I'm coming down into profit. Yeah, I'm coming green any second. You expected the spike and fail. Maybe I was a bit too aggressive on it. Nearly green. It's flashing all over. I'm nervous because I can't see. But the idea behind the plan was it would spike, and then it would fail, and then it would wash all day. But I am nervous because I can't sit. We're nearly back online, hopefully just for the wash. Come on. Nearly back online. But I need to do this from work, guys. Forgot about my coffee. 395 it's at. 405, 395. It's fine. Done, 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 done. Yeah, the live streaming and stuff's all a bit too much. I'm nearly green on the trade though. There you go. Come on, baby. Load up. So I'm sorry that I'm going through a fucking VPN, man. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Come on. Show us the love. Yeah, you see the spike into the resistance and the fail. If it breaks through, then I have to be out, but I think it should fail. Yeah, that's fine for me. That's pretty perfect. The spike in the resistance, reject, pops up, can't get back through. I just need this to fail now, and then it's done for the day. It's trying to get through. I didn't expect it not to go out without a fight. You've got this uptrend. You've also got this kind of downtrend. In an ideal world, it'll flush all of a sudden. It'll just wash really hard, like 30 cents. It's trying. We'll give it some room. We'll let it try. As long as it doesn't break the resistance. Ah, that looks very weak. Big, but now we need a big wash as all the longs are washed out. 390s, 380s. Guys, I'm so sorry. Let us stream this for you. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Share screen. I'm so sorry. $380s might bounce off this. I was just making that corner. It might bounce off this double bottom here, but it looks like it's going to go. It's not bouncing at all, which means I should get first covering the 356s, and then I'm going to short like, let's figure out what I'm doing. Cover 203. Got to cover at 356. Cover another two. Oh, yeah. So I've just that cover. The 356 covers just went. Oh, too many screens. Too many screens. Fuck, too many screens. Too many screens. It's I got that cover, so I'm gonna try and get straight back in. With like two. What's the in? 372. 378. 383. So I'm trying to add shorts as fast as I can to get back in on the bounce. But it might be so weak that it doesn't bounce. Fuck, bounce. Fuck, where's your red degree now? Look at with ticker. Fuck, get up. Get up. Go on. Nearly got 76. Get up. No! Short. Just marketed 200. So I'm scared I'm going to miss it. Get up. There's 76. Nice. Because I'm desperate to get back in full position. I'm not losing out on this. So I've got one more short at 383, and that puts us back in the full 600s. Good. Dun, dun. I'm not going to take any chances. I'm just going to short this as well. So I'm back in full size now. Might not have got the best fill, but I'm not taking a chance, and it's coming near VWAP. If it's super weak, it should reject fully now, and I think it's super weak. Because that was a hard fall, and it's a shitty stop. So like now, it bounced right where I thought it would bounce. You see where I had me cover? The 350s, it bounced right just above. So now, I mean, my next targets are obviously like the 343s. Open. So I'm up 130 bucks. It's not a lot, but I think I can make 400 if I place right. 350, 400. So my next covers need to be, what's me open position? I'm short from, now that I'm in a new position, I'm short from 379. So I don't have to be too stubborn. I can go 352. I'll cover 200. Like 343, I'll cover 200. And like 338, I'll cover 200. And if you go on the ask with trade zero, you get it free. If you want to trade with trade zeros, you're probably going to get borrows like this. I'm coming up to up 200. I'm from Tim Sykes in the challenge. This in the description, or I'll put it in at the end of the podcast. Trade with trade zero. That's how I get these borrows. Slap like if you like this trade. If you like in this trade, I was a little bit aggressive. My position the 390 did go to 420, and I did say I should. And I did say being aggressive, and I should have had max position 420. I would have then nailed it. But it's okay to be a little bit more aggressive on a small account. 220 bucks right now. I lost 100. I started my account with 930, lost 180. I'm now up over 200. So now my small account is in profit officially. But there's a lot of down, a lot of way down, and a lot of room for this to go down now. Lot more room down for this to go, should I say. Sorry I fucked up the live stream a bit. Sorry guys, I fucked up the live stream. But it's so good that you guys saw the losses. You saw the shit loss that I took for $180. But then you said, I will now take $300, $400 on this trade today. And that's what it's all about. You can't win every time, but it's about cutting your losses tight and maximizing the winners. Yes, sell orders I executed immediately with trade zero. Yeah, they're good. I get market, I get better fills than I expect. Even though the bid and the ask, I get better than the bid and the ask on stocks to trade. It's weird. 410, 393, boom. Roy, if you're laughing at the thought of me being down, I don't want to see you in the chat room ever again. Because I can say boom back to you now that I'm up 200 summit. Bids and hammered, it's looking good. It's just stepped up a bit. It's quite a liquid stock. We're hoping we're going to hit some 350s. Yeah, it's going down. It's fail. Look at that. Look at this. It's beautiful. It's fucking beautiful when you catch a short like this. I'm sorry you missed some of it. You're seeing the rest now. Next cover is, I could be more aggressive, but I'm not being so aggressive. Next cover, I'm up 223 bucks. Next, oh shit. Put the orders wrong. 352, 343, 337 I meant to put. Cover. Yeah. My next covers are 352, 343, 338. No specific levels. I'm just, might get a bounce here. Might have been a bit. Nah. Me short was in the 370s. Not really been too aggressive. Stocks don't go straight down. So this might not go straight down. Might have to wait. I was hoping it was a week and it would fail. Yeah, looks like it's been a little bit stronger. But it's still very weak. 371's getting hit. 372's getting hit. Most of the orders are on the bid. 360s now. Nice. I just need a 12-cent drop to get me first cover. How many fuckers are in here? 72! Guys, slap like, tell your friends, slap like, tell your friends. Let's get this thing over 100, man. Tell motherfuckers who you know on trading communities, tell them to watch this stream. I'm now get over 100. It's a road. Awesome to see that you're nailing it again, Stephen. This is definitely a lot more volatile than the other shorts. Yeah, but it does. Volatile's good. Volatility is brilliant. I love volatility. It's how you manage your risk reward around volatility. Stephen, is your plan to continue trading with a small account for a while? Or are you sizing up? Honestly, I'm actually I need a 10-cent drop off this to get the next cover. I'm seeing like a neuro-linguistic coach who's doing a lot of subconscious work with us and a lot of like neurological reprogramming in my brain to eliminate a lot of fears that I've got. Because I've got a lot of bad habits and bad thought patterns and bad fears, and produces a lot of anxiety in us. And I'm doing a lot of meditation. And one of the things that he promised he would do for us, otherwise I get a full refund, is help us trade without emotion. So I could trade with over $5,000 without the emotional stress. And he said he could help trade $5, $10, $20, $30,000 like it was trading with $600. So he plans that this will be the last small account that I go up. Ross traded VTVT over 4 and sold at 410. Your idea was much better. Yeah, dude, my short is 390 to 320, taking 70 cents. Ross's idea is taking 10 cents and all of these fucking followers. I'm taking 25% on this short. He's took 5% and bagged all his followers, and all of his followers are bailing right now. They're all stuck in the great news. Still waiting for it to drop. Liga with Ticker said they'll turn this red to green. I do not agree. It's not going down as easy as I wanted. Stomach hits from McDonald's. Grr. VWAP test. So much time I've had patience for the big fall. I hope I'm opening because of patience again. This stock shit. Look, it's got so much downside down to the 280s. This should give everything back. There's so much downside on this. Like the only next support point is 265. I'm going to play this as low as I can. Yeah, I'm trying to be like a better human, but fuck Ross. I'm gonna watch Jojo Rabbit after this as well. Let's just see what else is running the market. See you guys on board. Hit his questions, guys. I'm pretty bored. I do this live stream to be bored. ESCC is today's big soup du jour runner. Market's gone green, which is not good for me ticker, but I think it's shit anyway. ESCC to a liquid, no volume. ADVM, it's traded a mill now. VTVT, happy to see it back under the 60s. Stomach hurts from eating McDonald's again. Fuck. Interesting to see that one run. What's it? Hang on. It's long and short. Yellow. Yeah, ADVM is like it's a breakout over the 1380s. It's got resistance kind of yet, but nice run. I don't know how to trade it. VTVT should slam now. It looks like a lot of the moves over. I reshorted everything in the 1377, so I got the top, which is good. But I like it should be failing now. It should be having a big washout now. If it doesn't, it's not really a little bit scary, but I want it to. You know what I mean? I always say there's huge downside on this. They will give it all back to the 280s. The news isn't great. The volume isn't insane. All the Ross's people are back. Like maybe you'll get the threes. I think they should drop. I really do think they should drop quite a bit because you look on the 2-year chart, even though it had this big run, it gave it all back, then it spiked and give it back, then it came up here and give it all back. It's not got a history of ever running 2 days in a row, except this day it ran 2 days. And on this day it traded like 60 million shares. Bids, it's all over the place. But yeah, let's start with the 7s and it give it all back. Bad news day here. The company in general is doing bad, but still. I'm expecting, like, this is trading perfectly as a Jenny skins. Like, it hit VWAP, it should wash and fail. Anyone, like, you'll get a lot of people praying and hoping that this is gonna like bounce. You like, there's so many people long here, and they haven't come, gonna come back. They're hoping that this double bottom's gonna be like a resurgence and it's gonna do a short squeeze. It's gonna run like this time and do these big 2 days, but these people are all like psychologically fucked up and have problems. And if it does, fair play to them. This time, but for me, it's highly unlikely that this is going to run, purely based on the floating volume alone, and the fact that it doesn't make news, good news, and the fact that half the fucking shareholders in the water. They can hope to God and they can hang on, but it's just going to mean you're even more fucked when I win. But if you win this battle, good for you, but I'll win the fucking war. Or is it the other way around? No, it's not the other way around. I will win the war even if this one runs today, because probability-wise, it fucking shouldn't. So longs should not be in it. They're holding my dear life and hope. I'm holding because I'm fucking up 180 bucks. Sean's dip buy in ONTX. What's the reason? It's all at the start of the video, Bram. Watch the start of the video. I'll go over it a couple of times. This will be published live pretty soon. 69, 68, 65. 20,000 at 65. That's a big cover. Type of cover that'll be Stephen Docks. I saw 100,000 short at 4, which will be, and then like that's Docks taking 400,000 short, and then like he's covering 20,000 at a time in heavy washes. That's what I'd guess. I'd look for Docks' screenshot. This is the type of shot that he loves and I love as well. Watch you screenshot on Instagram to see if he short it today. Back up to Summit. Covers in the 350s. I'm getting close to the covers now. We have this line of support here that I've marked out earlier, so it's not too surprising to see a little push. We want to see the 50s go. We want to see a new low of day. 357's the low of day. Let's check the phone, see what's going on. Guys, I don't compromise on prices. I don't get freaked out by 1 minute candles. I always look at the big picture. I don't chase fucking fills and ads. I get out when we price targets hit. My web's on fire. Hang on. What's the link? We're nearly dropping again. What? 364. Wash, motherfucker. Just wash. I am patiently waiting for you. Patiently. Was flooding. 5 step into support. Threes. Threes flooding. Twos. This should be the wash. Sixes. I should get 50 here. Big panic. Everyone's selling. Everyone's selling. 60s are going. They're going to go heavy with stop losses, hopefully. 60s gone. 53. Yeah, got it. I was going to say, it's like, my cover was 52. It's like, fucking motherfuckers, like, don't stop is one above the month I've had. 352 covered. I'll add it back in at like 364. Up 250, 260. What's it at now? 357. I'll add the tip back in at like 367. Just to re-short in. Doubt I'll get it, not bothered. I'll probably short a bit lower later. 56 is going. It's just new lower day, really. New lower day. Next cover is. Next cover is. Slap like on YouTube, guys. It's me only ask. Slap like. 343. I'm taking this fucker down to the 320s. If I feel naughty and I want to put some wax on me dick, I'm taking it down to sub threes. I am taking 30% on this motherfucker. In and out, in and out, in and out. So like, if I don't get the full 30%, I'm shorting the rips and covering the dips to like get as much value as possible with as little risk as possible. 360s, we're back at. Hopefully I'll get me cover back in at 368. Me short, sorry. This is so exciting, I almost need a poo. I'm almost going to have a poo because I'm so excited. Can this on back to VWAP? Should I be more aggressive? Fuck, I'm going to be less aggressive. Such a pussy. I'm going to change that short from 367, 200 shares to like 374 just because I don't want to do myself out of risk reward kind of thing. Like I need the toilet, I need a poo, but I don't used to be there. I might just have to leave the computer. I learned a lot from you, Steve, been watching those live streams. I feel like Ross is a cheat man. Don't follow Ross. He's got 100,000 followers, all paying $150, $200 a month. Like he's making like bang. He's making like $250 million a month, if not more. Like follow me, I'm free and I don't make any money, and I get 30% on my trades, not fucking 5%. Learn from me. Tell your friends. Slap like. I want to get more and more likes every time when I look at the YouTube. Slap like. Should do that. Market is quiet as fuck today. Probably a little bit to do with the SPY being red. It broke out to all-time highs, and then it's kind of been stuck a little bit. Like it broke out from the 330s to like it broke a couple of bucks over, and now it's like it looks like it's gonna like probably make like a higher low off this bottom in the 320s. But I don't think I mean, unless the market's super strong, I don't think it's gonna retrace a little bit more probably. Out of interest, let's see how the Nasdaqs are doing. QQQ, SPY is the top 500 companies. How they're doing. QQQ is the Nasdaq, more tech stocks and bio company stocks. This is on the Nasdaq. So the Nasdaq's doing as BTV looks like it's rolling over. Oh God, nice read. QQQ follows the SPY, but it's a little bit stronger. It's not. It looks like this break was like, I'd say this break was more than the SPY's break, and this retracement looks a little bit less. QQQ is particularly strong, in new highs of days. You normally on days like this, you'll see Facebook and Twitter and stuff. They should be popping and bouncing back up. Maybe the open red went green. Facebook, you see how Facebook follows the market, made all-time highs as the market did. See how it went red with the market, but it pushed green. It's now struggling a bit, but if the market keeps on pushing, I'd expect this will be a double bottom on 211s, and it should keep pushing. VT slowly rolling over, making this descending triangle. I'll just show you guys something cool while we're on horizontal line. Do you know any other chat room? Yeah, you probably do know chat rooms that do this. So basically, you've got a rough line of it bottomed here, it came bottom but came back in the 356, 358. So you've got this descending triangle that it's like slowly, like if you look at it from here, you've got this perfect descending triangle where you've got the bottom support, and then you've got like where it was kind of topping around here, and then it bounced, couldn't get through, bounced, bounceable, couldn't get through. Now it's fallen through. So I'll put another short at like 364 or something. 362, just because it looks like it's gonna fail. All right, I'm going to the toilet. I'm coming back. I'm back. It says up $324. Something good must have happened. Oh, it says I'm fully out. That's not good news. It's not good news at all. Let's fucking short and get back in this. Let's get this fucker bouncing. I want more than 324. 300. Let's get 300 at 343. Let's go 344. Let's get 300 at 344 short. 300 at 356 short. I'm starting to lower my position now because No, don't go more. Don't go more. If I miss out and it goes further down, it is what it is. Yay! Sorry guys, got disconnected, but it still works. Share live screen. Oh, just lost all the fuckers. We're still going, guys. We just temporarily disconnected. I'm trading from home, but I'm basically up 320 foot. Yeah, you guys are all back. 58 people are back. Nice. Okay, so I'm up $324. I'm trying to my connection dropped, so I'm on VPN. I'm up $324. I'm trying to get back in short. I'm out of my position completely. Trying to get back in though. 344 and 356 on me next. Like ideally where I'd like to get back in to write it down to the 320s, 310s. I almost regret not just holding it all the way down to the 330s now, but I've done that before and you guys have been like, take half off, take some profits, and I don't, and it comes back. And then I don't take, and then I do take it off early and come back. I can't win. Are you guys watching any other tickers? Because I'm pretty much done with VT. Stocks and traders reloading. Fuck off. I should be able to share it now. Stocks trader. There you go. Back on. 335. I want one more drop on this. In an ideal world. I'm not gonna. Yeah, good. It's trying to bounce here. I'm hoping I'll get a bounce. Like I'm not chasing weakness because it's just not a good strategy. It's all about like short and strength and cover weakness. So I'm hoping for a little. Like I say, I've got active orders in for 344. It's got to pop a bit more. Like it should though. It's down a lot. So like the 6. It's trying. I just that would be really weak if it rolled over. Yeah. It's down quite a bit. It should come up a bit. Hopefully this is. I'll get 344 at least. Hopefully. On the daily, it's coming down. Facebook, I thought would bounce with the market a bit on the double bottom. You see, I was talking about. I was talking about it would hold the double bottom here or something. I can't remember. But anyway, if you're doing that, you're nearly up share as well. Oh, I can't chase weakness on this. I can't. I'll just have to miss it. Not weakness. Questions, guys, don't be distracted. You guys are giving tickers, nice. Wait. Loads of questions just come through. Wait there. Got a wash under 358. Textbook short this one. Where did you see the stock going, Stephen? 320s, 320s, 310s. I would take 320s. My plan was always like short from 390 and take it down to 310, 320. It's got one drop in it, but like that's perfect. Big wash rate, yeah, dude, it was super good. Plug pump, let's have a look. PLEG. VTVT, it's not worth having 600 in. Yeah, I'm gonna miss. It didn't come up enough for me to short. I'm gonna miss that one, sadly. I may be done with VTVT. That might be the end. Sad, very sad. I didn't get more of it, but I mean, I took VTVT. I took 60 cents on a $3 stock. I took like 13% on it, like, but want more. Plague's a liquid, guys. Don't touch Plague. Very liquid. It's liquid now, but it's previously super. I would be very scared touching that. It's coming down anyway. What was the other ones that you guys said? NNVC is one of my favorite longs and shorts because it also reverse splits. BTVT is coming back. Nice. Come on, get up. What's me short? 344. Come on. Come on, get up, 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 get up. Come on, 3 coming up. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Get up, get up, get up. Come on, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Oh, I'm so tempted to take it. I don't want to take it. 40s. 41s. Give us it, give us it, give us it, give us it. Fuck this. I'm taking it. I'm taking it. I can't wait any longer. Short. Got 339. I'll take it. Whew, that was stressful. I got 339, right? Yeah. Got 339 on that little posh. So I'll take 342 on the other. Okay. Short another 3. I'm full size just in case this is the turn again. Might be being a bit aggressive, but fuck it. I'm hoping that's the back. Even if I'm down, even if I give back 20, 30 bucks, it's better than missing like 50 bucks. That was the like push that I was looking for. My risk is probably gonna have to be like 10 cents, and I'll just get out. Maybe I could have got a slightly better price. Down $6, it's hardly nothing. Down $10. The way it's washed, I think it's if it's as weak as I think it is, I think it should keep washing. Maybe I had a 344 short in. Maybe I could have got that. Let's see. I would have been too stressed out waiting for it. I don't think I could have waited for that. Yeah, it's giving it back already. Down 5. Yeah, because if I get another wash here, what's that? 340. So the idea here would be like take 2 off at the double bottoms, like 328. That's not a lot. 326. 318. So I'm just putting like 311. Maybe I was a bit early there, maybe a bit impatient. I shortened at 338, it's at 341. Up 345. Fucking other short was going to be 344. So I'm giving a bit back, yeah, and that could have been the order. But let's see what happens. I was a bit impatient, but it only flashed there for a second. I'm down $10. I do want to see it wash now because I'm in full size. How many guys are still watching? Lots of you are still watching. And NVC, I'll get back to in a sec. I just want to see this wash a bit. I'll have a quick log at the same time. The end on my keyboard's broke, you motherfucker. NVC. Yeah, I was a little bit early TVT. NNVC. I mean, I'm fucking 3 cents early on it. That's as long as it fills, it doesn't matter. Oh, VTVT. Fuck. Little bit early on the size there. Let's see. Don't want to give back profits. Too aggressive on the reshort. Don't really want to give more than $50 back on this little thing. See this wash. Tiny bit aggressive, but it's coming back down. It's fine. Let's see a bit more weakness from this. I thought the retracement was big and it needed a bit of a bigger bounce, but I'm only 3 cents. I'm in from 330, from 339. So I'm only down 5 cents. I took like 4 cents overall. But I do, yeah, 43s. Come on. Hit the bid. Big red candle. 3. I just never like being, especially when it's down so much. It's down from the 420s. It's getting hit a bit, yeah. All right, I'm down $20. I'm more comfortable now. And NVC, yeah, I fucking love this stock because you can play it long and short. Sit 80s, you my god, it's done some reverse splits. This no. I'm just gonna check the price like from 10 years ago to see. I bet you it's like 8,000. Nah, 1.7. Nah, okay. This is a reverse split, yeah, from the 50s to the 3s. So we do a reverse split, but way back, I remember. So it was a long, then it was a very, very, very good short from the 17s down to the 7s. Insane value there. 2.5 million float with a bounce. It's due a bounce, but I don't know how to play that bounce. Like you can buy off the bottoms in the 680s, but I don't know how to play. I don't know how to play that long. It's too confused. And then VC looks like it's turning over, but it could still go either way. Need to see the 340s break. And the not breaking. But like I say, I'm $17 down. I'm not really concerned right now. A little bit concerned of a bounce and a turnaround, yeah, but not really concerned. $25 down. I don't really feel comfortable. No, that's not what I want. All right, I'm gonna stop watching this for a sec. What else did you guys say? INO. You guys are mentioning INO. Let's take a quick look. Sorry, I'm a tiny bit distracted because I just wanted to fall. Falls, I don't care. And 42 go. Oh. The 43s came up and they got smashed. Now we've got the 42s again. Getting cold feet. Guys, I'm getting cold feet. If it doesn't wash soon, I'm getting out. Sadly. This is like too much of an upward trend. It scares. If it doesn't wash any second, I'm getting out. I want to protect like I'm through the box. I want to protect it. Giving it, and if the 40s don't break soon, I'm getting out. Plus, I don't want to trade anymore. I want to watch a movie. I'm purely doing this as a job now to make money. I do it that much fun out of the noises. It's too fucking gambling and up and down. What was it? Neo. Hang on. IO. Neo is very bullish. You had your multi-month breakout, gives them back, broke out again here on the 477s. It's mid-range now. It's not in the 250s. It's not in the 5s. It's somewhere in the 370s. You can take it long buying the dips from the 356s. Like exactly here, we're around 354, 355, 356. You can buy these dips, and then obviously you've got room on the upside of the 380s, but I wouldn't trade it otherwise. Oh, God. It's concerning a little bit. It's not washing. It's a little bit concerning. It's attacking the 345s. Again, I'm down $29, but I just don't like giving profit. But I think I'm getting out a bit too easily, but I've had stocks reverse on it. Give it a sec. I haven't even took any orders out of my short covers yet. Oh, no, that's strong. Fuck's sake, man. Holding on a second here, just in case. Down $47, not ideal. Fuck's sake, man. Pisses us right off this. I'll give it a couple more seconds till like the 350s. Max. Down $47. It's just I ordered too aggressively and it's bounced too much. Nah, this is too scary. Going higher. Too many shorts are panicking and I'm one of them. You see failure fast. Nah, I'm out. Fucking hell, man. Got her. It's a bit too aggressive on that last short. And I paid for it. I made $252. I'm crediting the shorts. I made $252. Paid like $50 for the shorts. Probably only made like honestly $180 or something. It retraced so much that it's actually, it was a bit of FOMO there, But I mean, me 723 is 8. Basically, I've made back what I lost the other day. Just curious to see if it kind of turns or it explodes. Yeah, but I'm not getting in once I've got out as well. I made that bad decision the other day. Oh God. It's not really pulling back. This might be the big drop. Nah, it's coming back. Seems to be a bit too much strength in this. I don't know what's going on. So I've got me. I'm trying to give back shares so I can like get a bit back on them. Let's see what you guys are saying. I might be right, might be wrong, but I've been bitten too many times in February to fucking risk this. I'll keep the 200 plus. ADVM, you guys, we'll keep an eye on VTV too. I'm not getting immediately back in. ADVM. It's coming up like, wow. You guys just look at what's running. You guys look at what's running, but you don't look at the charts properly. Like, yeah, I mean, it's a multi-month breakout over 1255, but you've got resistance in the 13s and resistance in the 14s and resistance in the 15s. I mean, if you buy it at 1255, fair play. Like, if it comes back onto like the 1255s, but then it's like maybe you can buy it off VWAP, but it's not my kind of stock to trade. Struggle a bit, yeah. Rolling over. I'm gonna miss it. Missed it. But I put an order in for 351 and 356 just in case. Nah. Oh god. It's about $60 back. Yeah, it's up 300, so I give $60 back by being a little bit early. Right, fuck this. I'm done with this. Fuck it. Try and get the borrow fees back. Cunts. Bit aggressive on the short. Need to remember that. PBWI. Okay, one sec. Not looking at VTVT anymore because it's pissed us off. PBW, but I still made $300. $250 minus $50 borrows. Made $200. Puts us back up to where it was before the other stupid loss. That's okay. PBWI. So 2 days in a row, it's now kind of more mid-range. If it gaps up here, it's not got enough volume, not liquid enough, and the float's too high, basically. Thanks, Chad, but I'm annoyed with it, and I've missed my entry. I mean, me position. Oh no, it's at 338. Fuck hell. My original short was what 3. I was short this candle, right? I short 338. So yeah, I've lost 100. Like I lost the covering, and I'm probably gonna miss out on. Yeah, it should have been a 400 day. Instead, it's 300. Maybe, you never know. Never know. But I'm not taking a chance. Get past 360. You're going long, right? No, I'm short VTVT. What do you think about INO? It's not my kind of stock. I was saying earlier. Okay, guys, I'm bouncing before I do anything stupid. I think VTVT should probably fade for the rest of the day, but pissed off with it and I don't want to trade emotionally, so $252, 200 probably overall, puts us to back near the 900 mark, $920 mark on the account. So I withdrew $3,000 profit, and I left with $720. But then I kind of, just before the account left, I made an extra couple of hundred. So so I'm up like $250 on my $700 account. So tomorrow I hope to break through. I hope to break through the $1,000 mark and start making me up to 1.5. So sad today, a good day, but I'm just short of the $1,000 account mark. So let's see if we can get it tomorrow. Peace and love. Goodbye.